Building and creating something on your own is a fun activity and can be best adopted as a hobby. Building furniture pieces to furnish and decorate your home into a simple yet elegant and stylish place can be a hectic task. But if you make use of recycled pallet wood to create innovative pieces of furniture, you will be at ease. These extremely useful pieces of furniture, when made with recycled pallet wood, look amazing. The look and feel of these items makes you fall in love with it. Not much hard work is required to work and make pallet wood furniture. Pallet wood is very easy and simple to handle. You can customize the size, shape, structure and other specifications of the furniture to suit your needs.